head up right with the might to fight and win. We are committed for a mark, never to be erased. Seroma Christian High School, for Christ will. Our heads but no tails. We serve eternal Redeemer with words and deeds obediently. We motivate and avail ourselves forever. We shall fear God.
Our commissioner, our members of the National Executive Committee that has been in charge of preparing. One of the founders is around, retired Lieutenant Canon Robert Bell Sekide. Can you give a mighty hand clap? Today we celebrate that we traverse over 130 acres in Chetume, Mukono. And that is why when the ministry is able to adjust at any time the curriculum, Seroma is ready to adjust with it. I want to thank God who has enabled us and especially recognize the team that is around you, dressed in color brown. That is the Seroma Christian High School staff that have enabled this to a tune of about 4,000. Right from every corner of this country. May I ask for the August House to kindly clap for the host teachers that have been able to take care of you from day one. Can you kindly give them a hand clap on our behalf? And I hope you've been hosted and comfortable. Seroma Christian High School is today participating in most of the games. There are 11 disciplines right now that are being hosted, but we are also partnering with a few institutions. And I want to recognize the institutions. A girl child in Seroma Christian High School. Allow me to recognize the presence of the deputy head teacher that is representing the head teacher of Namilyango College School, Mr. Kakuru, in the corner. I want to also recognize SETA schools, that is SETA A-level, SETA Mbara, and SETA Nama, together with SETA University. Please allow me to recognize we have tried to deliver. To the athletes, I want to encourage you that you've come for competitions, you've come to engage, to network, to learn and unlearn. May you use this opportunity to use the capacity that you have. We've come in different colors, different shapes, different schools. Let's not battle as enemies, but let's battle knowing that one is going to come out. But together when we learn, we shall be different. To the ministry, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for the enabling factor. You have enabled us as an institution. We've been able to represent this nation internationally, and we've been able to bring back medals for the nation as Seroma Christian High School. So to the participating schools, continue, and we will stand together because we are here to make sure that it's sports for all. Not sports for a few, not sports for the elite schools, but sports for all as students, athletes of Uganda. To God, for God and my country, we remain a mark that is not going to be erased. and we are heads but not tails. Seroma Christian High School, Resident Director. Thank you.
Called December Guya. This man was a great athlete. He used to win many trophies for his team. And then one day, he had a problem with his trousers. And he went in the field. As he ran, he spent half of the time adjusting his pair of trousers. And
my request the Commissioner to accompany the chief guest to inspect the team. Director, President USSA, SSP, ASP.
You can help me and ask your neighbor, which team are you going to support? BJ, who is mightier at the end of the day?
Are you using this one?
And the winner is determined in 90 minutes. Like I've said at half time, we are going to have all the entertainment that we need. That's what we have agreed. So please just sit and enjoy the day. Let's first watch the first entertainment. I don't know what the directors of Seroma are going to be telling their team as they say hello to them.
Teka bwetu betandise basabula bajya
Over, the game is now yours. Thank you very much.
Bridget, Nasoro Feibe, Kobusinja Josephine, Nakawuchi Gorati, Runkusu Shirat, Jacqueline Happy Joseph, a substitution kubenchi ali wakuru, kuliko Nachimera Hanifa, Nacha Shirat, Kaitesi Mariam, Naruwembo Waifa.